So we've already done my OG baked macaroni and cheese recipe. So what did y'all think what was next? Hey fam, hey! It's your favorite chef here on the white tee, the Chef Court, and I am back to share another OG staple with y'all. Today, we are doing my famous OG baked candied yams. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. Okay, these are quick, easy, and delicious. Because they are like that. And that's what? That's that on that. Period. All right, sis, so let's hop in the kitchen and let's get straight into this recipe. So as you can see here, I already have some of my sweet potatoes chopped up. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do that with this potato. This is gonna be about 3 to 4 large sweet potatoes is what we're using. So I'm just gonna show you how to peel them. And this recipe I got from my dad, which I believe he got from his dad. And I've just been doing it like this forever, so now I have my potato nice and peeled, and we're just gonna cut them into nice little rounds like this. Okay, about a 1/4 inch thick. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna have little coins like that. So I have my sweet potatoes here that are already been cut up. This is what they are going to look like. I started to shingle them in my baking dish. Again, this is how I watched my dad do them for a long time when he used to make candy yams. This is how he would make them. He would just shingle them in a baking dish like this. So I'm just gonna continue to add another layer of sweet potatoes. I'll show you how I shingle them. So just like this in the pan. All right, just like that. So we have our sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna add our yumminess. So first, we are gonna start off with a cup of granulated white sugar. And we're gonna do these in layers. So we're gonna sprinkle the sugar right across this first layer. We're only gonna use half. And then I'm gonna take a cup of dark brown sugar. I'm gonna sprinkle that across the top. Next, I'm gonna add my ground cinnamon. And you don't want too much cinnamon, so we're gonna add about a tablespoon and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Next, I'm gonna add one of my favorite secret ingredients, which is a tablespoon of lemon extract right across, again, the top. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, again, right across the top of your sweet potatoes. Then we're just gonna layer it again. Now we're just gonna repeat the steps. All right, now to this, I'm gonna add only a 1/4 cup of water. You do not want to add a lot of water because they have to candy and make that syrup. So we're only gonna use a 1/4 cup of water to help them soften and steam. Now for the main ingredient, other than the potatoes, of course, we need some butter. So we're gonna just add some pats of butter right in the crevices and the cracks, okay? You see it? You see it. You see what's going on here, don't you, sis? All right, so we have it all beautifully seasoned and buttered up. Ooh, do y'all see that? Now we're just gonna cover it tightly with foil. Just like that, like so, like that. And we're just gonna pop it into a 365-degree oven for about 40 minutes first. Then we'll check them. We'll flip the sweet potatoes that are on top, and then we'll put them back in the oven for an additional 20 minutes until they're completely softened and sopped up and dripping and oohing and gooing, and we gotta hurry up. Okay, do y'all see these? Like, oh, look at all that good syrupy goodness. Look, spoon tender. Do y'all see that? Ah, beautiful. We got all that good sweet syrupiness. Oh my goodness, I'm telling y'all, you gotta make these. You gotta make these. Listen, y'all, and that is that, okay? Y'all see the syrupiness, y'all see how tender they are, like, and the aroma in here right now is going crazy. I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna make these and put them next to that baked macaroni and cheese. Listen, will I steer you wrong? I will not, okay? Y'all, literally melt in my mouth like butter. Like, no, make these candied yams. I'm not gonna steer you wrong. On top of the fact, it was super quick, not a lot of ingredients, and so good. Like, I literally could eat sweet potatoes and candied yams every single day of my life and not get tired of it. Like, so please definitely try this recipe. Please go check out my previous videos and try those recipes as well. And don't forget to tag me and anything you try so I can see your recreations. Also, do not forget, of course, to like, comment, and subscribe to your favorite chef here on the YT, the Chef Core. And with that being said, I'm going to demolish these, and I will see you guys very, very soon. And thank you for rocking with me. And I can't wait to see you guys soon with another OG Chef Core recipe. Mwah! Bye!